from any of the University of South Alabama's web pages. You can get to the libraries by clicking on this link that says Libraries in the upper right-hand corner. And then you'll want to go to the top one, the Marks Library, which is the main library on campus. From this page, you can go down under Library Resources, right here under this box, and click on Journal and eBook List. So if we click on Journal and eBook List, this page is a list of all our journals and ebooks. So in the search box, you can search for a journal by title, subject, or if you know the ISBN of the journal. Otherwise, you can just browse by discipline. So the one we looked at in class was, for one thing, we looked at sports medicine and we looked at sports and leisure. So if we click on sports and leisure, you can sort these sports and leisure journals by making sure you're looking on the left-hand side over here, limit to peer-reviewed journals. So we'll check that list, and then you can further divide the subjects using this filter right here. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Just let me know if you need some more assistance